In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install a portable air conditioner, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So the summer's here and you woke up and it's hot. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we're gonna help you cool down. The unit that we're using today is a NewAir portable air conditioner and heater. It's rated at 14,000 BTUs or 8,500 DOE BTUs. It can cool or heat a room as big enough as 525 square feet, and it has 3 fan speeds up to 250 CFM. Now that we filled your brain with info, let's take a look at the things that we're gonna need for the install. And those are the things that come inside the box. The first thing is barbecue paper, the owner's manual. We get a remote control, which uses AAA batteries, 2 of them, and this basically lets you change any option on the AC heater without having to move your sculptured body. Also included in the box is a drain hose, and this is going to help you be able to drain the accumulated water on the AC heater a lot easier. This particular model lets you know when it's full with water, and this is the water that's accumulated during the cooling and the humidifying process from the water extracted from the air. So meaning the more cooling you do or the more humid your location is, the more water accumulation you're going to have. This particular model also has an energy efficiency boosting function, which works with a water tank. You fill this tank up with water and it helps to cool down the compressor, cooling the exhaust and minimizing frost accumulation. In this particular unit, we have 2 filters, one located at the top and one at the bottom. Either for cleaning or setting up, you basically slide in the filter or slide out to clean. If your particular model has an activated carbon filter included, we can install that by going ahead and opening the filter housing by unclicking it, then adding the carbon filter and then clicking it back in. And once done, we can just go ahead and slide it in the AC heater unit. Under the unit, we have the wheels, which make setting up the location for the unit a lot easier. But if you want to show off your muscles and show the world that you're the strongest man, woman, both or none of this planet, for that we have lifting indentations on each side of the unit, and you could pick up all 63 pounds of this cooling heating apparatus. Also on the box, we have the extendable window kit, and those are 3 parts. We also have the hose adapter and the adapter cover. You can also use that on doors like garage doors. This particular garage door is 5 foot. So the most important thing that you want to do in the installation is measure the location where you're going to set up the exhaust. And this is basically where your AC heating unit is going to throw off the heated air in case of cooling or the cold air in case of heating. So either if you pick a door or a window, you want to be precise with the measurement, because the last thing you want is for that air that you're trying to avoid from the outside element to come inside and mess up everything that you're doing. Now that we have our measurements, we're going to go ahead and start installing the kit. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to install the hose adapter to the panel, and we're going to use the one with the hole in it. In the kit, there's 4 Phillips screws that we're going to align the holes on the hose adapter with the hole on the panel and then screw. Remember to change hands for even pump. If at any time you want to close the hole, there is an adapter cover that you can remove one of the screws and install using the same screw that you remove. And basically we use the same method, align the hole and screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Now let's go ahead and set it up for the dimensions that we measured our window or our door. You're going to notice that one of the panels is smaller than the other one, which is going to let you place that one inside of the one with the hole. And then the third panel is the same size as the one with the hole, and you could put it on the other side. we're gonna notice holes on one side on the top of the panel, and basically what we do is align the holes from one panel to the other using the screws provided on the kit. We screw until we get a tight fit. Remember that it is plastic and you don't want to break it. So on the kit there's 3 panels, but if you only need 2 for your window, that's good enough. You can save the other one as a reminder that you're the greatest of all time. Now we're ready for the fun part, and that's connecting the exhaust hose so you can airplay your accordion for a bit, and once you're done we can go ahead and insert it to the adapter. And we basically do that by extending the accordion style hose, so by either turning the hose or the panel we can insert it in the adapter, and it's just like turning a cap on a bottle.
Of ice, cold, bubbly, liquid gold.
Seltzer water. The other end of the hose, we're gonna install it on the AC heating unit, and we're gonna use the same technique. Now that you mastered the ancient technique of turning things, we can go ahead and open our window or door, place it on our frame, and bring either the door or the window down until we have a tight seal. The pressure of the window or door, it's gonna keep the panel steady. Now that we have the unit installed, we want to make sure that the hose is creating a small S shape going from top to bottom with no obstruction. So the less bends you have on the hose, the better. Because we use this unit on our garage door, so a pro tip, we took a longer screw and placed it on the panel, and that gives us the flexibility to be able to open it when in use and close it at nighttime. Another pro tip is always recommended to leave your AC for 2 hours standing upright before turning it on. Now we're ready to start feeling cool or hot. In this particular model, we have all the controls on the top. Now that we have it on, we have 4 modes to choose. Either the fan mode, which is just circulating the ambient air. We have the cool mode, which is cooling. Auto, which it does everything for you. And lastly, heating. This particular model lets you control the speed of the fan. You can choose from high, medium, or low. So in either mode that you have it, heating or cooling, you can choose how much of it you're getting. Then on the right side, we have the temperature up and temperature down button. The AC heating unit always displays the ambient temperature in the room. But if you want to see to how much you have it set to, you can just press one of the up or down buttons and it will let you know. On the left side, we have the sleep button, which is basically gonna do is once you press the button, the set temperature will increase by 1 degree in the first hour and another degree on the second hour, and then maintain the temperature from there on. And that's on the cooling. If it's heating, it's going to bring it down 1 on the first hour and then another 1 on the second hour, and then maintain the temperature from there on. In this mode, the unit will automatically turn off after 12 hours. But if you want to set the operating hours manually, you can do that by pressing the timer button. You can set it to 1 hour to 24 hours. So if you choose 1 hour, then the unit will automatically turn off after that 1 hour. Now that we refilled your brain with data, in front of the unit we have the louvers that you can adjust to your specific accommodation. You have one set of panels that you can move up and down, and another set that you can move side to side. Finding the exact combination and temperature are the reasons why many kingdoms have fallen. So choose wisely, grasshopper. But a pro tip, placing a little oscillating fan in front of the unit will make everyone on your kingdom happy. According to the manufacturer's website, the noise level is at 57 dB. We've been testing this unit for about a month now, and we've gotten great results, either in the cooling side and in the heating side. Now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You have conquered the cooling and heating world and showed them who's the grand master of the temperature control. Just don't let your spouse, friend, family member know. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.